Hey up guys, I've got another one today which we love to bring you along for. Like this, got the trolley clean. Snap-on trolley, by the way. It does, honestly guys, these will change your life. Honestly, need a trolley, you don't know you need it until you need it. It's basically what I'm trying to say. So I've got a 73 plate Polo here. Lack of power, in fact it's flat as a fart. With a manifold runner fault, range and performance. Now you guys are probably out there, if you switched on with, well, pretty much any car really, you're gonna know. We've got some manifold flaps here, right? And they move. And they've got potentiometers on the side, like that tell the ECU exactly where they're at, how much the owner, or the driver, is giving it some welly. Now we've got a problem with this one. Car again, flat as a fart, not doing out. It's very, very slow, engine lights on of course, and I've got the old Mitivac. Right, this takes me back to the younger days of Volkswagen where you used to test a diaphragm, usually on a turbo, wasn't it? If you remember well, usually on a turbo. Stick down in the comments if you remember this and what you were doing them on mostly. So yeah, diaphragm here, so it is still a vacuum controlled unit, and it has, well, I'll show you on this one, it has a vacuum solenoid, just there. So the new manifolds come with a new vacuum solenoid, so we're ticked off, right? So we're on there, we bypassed that, and we've got the 6213, so it's the VAS 6213 Mitivac. It's a Mitivac, regardless. But whatever number you like, and we've got it on sucky mode, and it'll try and pull a vacuum under note, right? That's no good. So that's doing nothing with the runners. Try and get you to see them. It's a bit of a fiddle this one. What? There's the runners. Doing absolutely sod all. Now I'm going to hook this Mitivac up to the new manifold. She's just here. The old one, nothing. 2 seconds, I'll hook it up to the new one. There we are, right. We're hooked up to the new one, as you can see here. So that's the old crusty one. I have got to move the throttle body and all the sensors over. So that one, new diaphragm. 6213 again. Look at that lot. She's holding back. She's exactly what we want. It's 250 millibar is where we need to be. That's what it wants. But there we go, well, that's holding lovely. With the other side, it won't do it now. So I'm going to turn it around, just so you can see exactly what should be happening. So I'll let the pressure go. See him close. We'll stick it on sucky mode again. And can get it all in one. There we go. So in short, depending on how much welly the owner's giving it, these will open nicely. Let some good air flow through. So close them off, let the vacuum go. There you go, close off. Yeah, so you're likely to see these in idle, as it is, and then when it gives it some vacuum, oh yeah, I need to put it on sucky mode, and then when it gives it some vacuum, yeah, these are going to open up nicely, and you're going to find you've got more airflow straight into the cylinders, which is good. That's what we want. That's in a nutshell, guys. Obviously there's a little bit more to it. Well, that's diagnosed this fault. I'm going to get all the bits that I need to swap over onto this manifold. Get her bolted to the car. Show you the car if you want. Want to see it? Yeah, hold up. I'll turn around. So if you're wondering just how much of a bag of a job these are, on these Polos, they're actually not that bad. They're actually not that bad at all. So as you can see, I've bunged some shit up. I've had it before where someone stuck a bolt in the cylinder because they're arseholes, right? Motor trade's full of them. So I always cover the holes up now, boost holes, inlet holes, and there we go. So it ain't that bad. It's just a bit of wiring. As you can see, I've not really had to take a lot out. It all looks fairly decent, doesn't it? So dead easy. Whip her all back together now, and I'll bring you along for the final running of it.